Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Gather and measure everything before you begin to bake. Use 1 cup smooth peanut butter, 1/2 cup unsalted butter softened, and 1 cup granulated sugar for a balanced texture. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl and add 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. This yields a rich, slightly fudgy batter. Line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper so the bars release easily. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F while you mix. Start by creaming the 1/2 cup butter with 1 cup peanut butter until smooth. Add 1 cup sugar and beat until glossy. Incorporate the 2 eggs one at a time, then fold in 1/2 cup all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup cocoa powder gently so the batter stays slightly thick and fudgy. Pour into the prepared 8x8-inch pan, smooth the top, and bake in the preheated 350 degrees F oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove when a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs, then cool for 10 minutes before lifting out to finish cooling. For a glossy finish, melt 1/2 cup chocolate chips and drizzle or swirl it over the warm brownie surface, creating a marbled peanut chocolate look. Press a few extra chips into the top for texture. Let the slab cool completely, then use a sharp knife to cut it into 16 2-inch squares so each piece is uniform and easy to plate. Store leftover squares in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Refrigerate for up to 1 week, or freeze individual pieces for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.